day 3 of our holiday and we are back at the Petronas Towers. We've just queued up to try and get tickets because you have to get here for 8 AM to get some walk-in tickets because they're all fully booked days in advance. And we got tickets!
Yep, I'm really happy now. 8:30.
We didn't think it was going to happen because they cut off the queue right before us and she was like, there's very limited tickets left and the rest are all for tomorrow. So we were like, what do we do? It would just be our luck for them to cut it off right in front of us. But we're coming back at 8:30 PM. Now we're going to go and look for some breakfast and then possibly go to the bird park.
Yep, I want to see some birds. Surrounded by birds.
He loves his birds. We've just bumped into these two girls outside KLCC and they've taken a photograph of us each and we're participating in one of their school projects. Would you like to explain what it's all about?
Well, we're part of a project called Everyone Has Hope and we do interviews around Kuala Lumpur and ask people what their hopes and dreams are and work for a charity for Burmese refugees and like taking these photos and videos and asking them what their hopes are. Like we can show how similar everyone's hopes and dreams are and give them hope to live.
Okay, thank you. So basically I have to write what my hopes and dreams are underneath my photo and it's for a charity for Burmese refugees. Yeah. I've just done a little bit of damage in Sephora. I didn't go too crazy though, to be fair. Now we're finally going to the bird park.
Enter you may will. These are bigger ones.
Oh my god. Oh, they're kissing. There you go, I'm just feeding the parrots. So cute.
Hey, thirsty, aren't you? Hey, go on then. This way. What are you doing now? You're tickling me. Where is he? He's up to something. Where's he?
I think he's done with the milk.
Oh, right.
He's eating your neck.
No, not my neck.
I don't know how to get him off. Shall I have the milk?
Yeah. I've been doing anything you want me to do this?
Oh my god, there's actual monkeys in here. Hey, he's gonna jump! We've just come back to the hotel and I had to have a really quick shower and a change of clothes because it was so hot inside that bird park. But now I feel quite dressed up. I'm in love with this skirt. This is just a standard top from Boohoo. I think I'm wearing this right way around anyway. And I think I'm just going to wear my flip-flops because my foot is still quite swollen. I'm not going to show you because that is just awful. So yeah, my hair's looking a little bit crazy, but now we're going to go downstairs and get an Uber and go to the Petronas Towers because we're booked for 8:30 p.m. Thank you. So we're currently up on the 86th floor of Tower 2, I believe. And this is the observation deck. As you can see, that is Malaysia behind me. I think we got really lucky with ticket availability at night time because it's so much nicer. I don't think it would have been as nice to see this during the day. And we find ourselves back in KLCC shopping centre. We've been here every single day on this holiday just because it's so central to everything, apart from yesterday when I was an invalid. We're now going to 8 Ounce Coffee there, which is pretty much the only place with Wi-Fi in the shopping centre, which really surprises me. We're going to get a drink this time and then use the Wi-Fi to order an Uber back to the hotel. So it's our last day in Kuala Lumpur. It's raining again. I say last day, we've only really got an evening left. It's probably about 4 o'clock now. Just went to the Batu Caves this morning because my foot is still in so much pain. It's not even funny, it really hurts. I just thought, you know what, I should rest it. So he went to the Batu Caves and he vlogged a little bit for me. He showed me the footage when he came back. And you know what, I'm so jealous. I really wanted to go there because it's one of the top things to do in Kuala Lumpur. He's back now. We've just been swimming and we've been told to get out the pool because it's raining, so that's what we've done. So we thought we'd put some laundry on while we went swimming because we're staying in like a service department. It's not really a hotel, so there's a laundry room and things like that. It only costs £5 to get the detergent and to put the clothes in the wash and also to dry them. So we're going to sit here and wait for that. Can you guys hear the thunder? We can't see the rain though, to be fair. Oh my god! Sit here and edit and I can't hear anything. The weather is so bad, but do you know what, it actually feels nice to be sat listening to the rain and the thunder when you're not at home, because at home you're just normally really stressed out because you have to be somewhere, whereas here I'm happy to just sit in the hotel. So we're getting some street food and you basically pick whatever you want. So there's loads of like meat, fish. We've got loads of vegetables up at the top. Those tofu blocks sound really good because they've got some salady thing in the middle and those soya bean things. Thank you. Thank you. They also have more vegetables up there. I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't look that appealing, but that tofu looks good and I would like to try some street food while I'm here. So I think I might get that tofu, and it's all colour coded, so that's how much you pay. I think the vegetarian dishes are the original colours, so they're all $2.50. This guy seems to be busy, so that's always a good sign.
Yeah. Yes.
Thank you. Yeah. So I'm way too dressed up for Chinatown and it's a little bit of an experience. We're sat at a table like this and it's got some boiling water in the middle. I've just chosen my food and they either grill it or they boil it. I don't know what they're going to do to it. So yeah, thought I'd give it a go. Got soybean, okra and tofu thing with cucumber inside. And JASS has got a mix of chicken and pork, right?
Yep.
So we requested an Uber about half an hour ago, and the guy had to cancel because there was a procession going on. We asked this man in the hotel what the procession could be for, and he thought that they were transporting bits from like parts of a Chinese temple to somewhere else, and we thought it'd be really quick, and it went on for half an hour. I'm going to insert some clips here just so that you can see. I have about 20 minutes worth of footage, so I'm not going to include it all obviously because this video will be really long. But now we've booked another Uber, and hopefully we should be on our way.
He says he's 1 minute away.
Oh, he's 1 minute.
There could be a...
Okay, so he's 1 minute away, and then we need to go to the hotel, maybe grab some dinner, because all we really had was like 3 little bits of street food, and it was good, but I wasn't tempted to get any more. I just feel a bit funny about eating on the street, especially when they're not plastic plates. I don't know, I'm just really funny like that. But I think as a vegetarian, I don't like the thought of them not really washing the plate properly and then putting meat and then vegetarian food on the same plate. So I think we're just gonna go to a proper restaurant, get some dinner, go back to the hotel, pack up our stuff, because tomorrow we're going to Langkawi. So I'm gonna end this vlog here, and I'm gonna start a new vlog tomorrow when we go to Langkawi. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye!